There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my head shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, make sure the lights feed the dark, spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to
see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you to hold me
closer now, just a little closer now. Come a little closer, I need you to hold me tonight. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I
need you
to
see that you are the reason.
Ai hola koro sa sure di ngoluki tu sohuba kita maribar hasian boto ong masure na lauri ho dan peduli yang barang nasongon dia beho iba holoki mengadian di boto hasian tu pahokku hadame di bumi asal tu seorang rohan macar holoki
sebelum berangkat ke gereja. Debatana untuk pahami marhite Yesus Kristus Tuhan nami. Di manogot nyarion di tiur nyarion ale Tuhan. Di nama kami nama siawalongan marpula-pula marpulu. Keluarga Sregar nang Soni, keluarga Malau. Rakdohot apa nama siawalongan di Bugasan Tiga. Dinamarsakap kami ali jebata amanami. Mabuatnya nang nami nang borulami. Tonga-tonga ni buyami. Dinanaing manjalo pasu-pasu perbagasan di anak dohot boron ni buyam. Atau ali jebata amanami di Bugasan pos ni roha dohami. Roho mangidu tuado panmi. Asa totong pasu-pasu ulau nami di Bugasan sadarion. Dinamamukan sahat rodi nama ngujungi. Boy tupa di Bugasan ansi dohot tolong ni rohan. Jala dipangido rohan nami sian panuturion mo Tuhan. Atau alay di bata ama nami. Biaka keluarga namar tolong ni rohan. Nanaing tu acara pemberkatan nikah ni anak nami nang buru nami asi maroham pasada rohanami jalapat tu guna sida asa totong sada rohanami di Bugasan holong nasiak koi pasahatun ulau non di Bugasan asi dohot tolong roham atau ngale de bata manami sian nabur hatami sahat tu rumah ibadah gereja nanaing majalo pasu-pasu perbagason anak nami nang guru nami. Upasa tami masa tu tanganmu nabadiai. Rohami marsoba tu habadion me. Amin.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't